Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of decimal. This is fourth question of its exercise 8.6. So the question says that Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. How much money does she have now? So हमें given है money with Rani is equal to हमें given है 18.50 rupees and price of an ice cream is equal to ये भी हमें given है 11.75 rupees. तो हमें find out करना है how much money does she have now. So money left with her is equal to difference of this. So 18.5 minus 11.75. So 0 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा, so यहाँ से हम 1 कैरी करेंगे. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. यहाँ 4 है, 4 minus 7, so यहाँ से हम कैरी कर लेंगे. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. यहाँ से हमने 1 बोरो किया तो यहाँ 7 बचा था. 7 minus 1 is equal to 5. 6 6 and 1 minus 1 0. So हो जाएगा 6.7. So money left with Rani is 6.75 rupees. Thank you.